No, it doesn't pick it up at all.
Hi everyone, just going to teach a very simple video on how to get to your Google Drive. So you can either type in Gmail or Google, just navigate your way to sign in. When you sign into your account, go to the top right hand corner to these 9 squares called Google Apps. Click on them, and this is your entire G Suite, and we'll get through them eventually, but just click on Drive and you'll be given anything that has been shared with you by other people will be under shared with me. So for example, the policies or reports. You then have your own personal drive that you can upload your own stuff to, and then there's team drives as well. The next video will be on how to actually upload a file to one of these drives, and that's it.